Do you ever feel like something is holding you back, but you're not sure what it is? It might be your limiting beliefs. Today, I'll show you how to replace those beliefs and unlock your full potential. Acknowledge that your limiting belief is just a story. It's something you've told yourself repeatedly, but it's not a fact. For example, if you believe I'm not good enough, understand it's simply a thought, not the truth. Challenge that belief. Ask, is this true? Is there evidence otherwise? Recall times you succeeded or received positive feedback. Use that to discredit the limiting belief. Replace that limiting belief with something empowering, like I am capable of success. Every time that old belief pops up, remind yourself of this new one. 5 ways to actively replace limiting beliefs. 1. Affirmations. Write down empowering affirmations and say them daily. For example, I am confident in my abilities. 2. Visualization. Visualize yourself achieving success. Imagine how it feels and the steps you'll take. 3. Gratitude practice. Write down 3 things you're grateful for daily. This shifts your focus to what you have. 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Be mindful of the people and content you consume. Positive surroundings reinforce empowering beliefs. 5. Take small action. Start taking small steps toward your goal. Each small win builds confidence and solidifies your new belief. Replacing limiting beliefs isn't a one-time thing. It's a process. With consistency, you can shift your mindset and unlock new opportunities. What new belief are you adopting today? Share it in the comments and follow for more transformational tips.